Hello and welcome to this short video about creating remote jobs queues in Scout, real-time CNC machines monitoring system. First of all, what is the remote jobs function in Scout? The remote jobs allow you to securely send queues of files from your computer located, for instance, in the office or at home to your machine through Scout server. So there's no more need for you to go to the machine by yourself with the USB flash drives or setting up a local file servers or sending emails. The files are downloaded automatically on your CNC machine computer, and the operator of the CNC machine just needs to start the process. And when the files are being processed, you can see the progress of the processing each file from the queue in Scout, so you always know what file and which queue your machine is currently doing. Furthermore, all the files in the queue may be associated with client or order, so you can later check analytics related to those criteria. For more information about analytics, orders and clients in Scout, please check out videos provided in the description. Let's create our first queue. Go to Remote Jobs, add new remote job. The first step is to provide some basic information about remote jobs queue. Enter queue name, choose a machine that this queue is associated with. The files that you will later add will be sent to this machine. Choose a priority of the queue. This is only an information for the operator of the CNC machine, so that he knows which queue should be processed first. Next, optionally choose an order that this queue is associated with, and enter the description that will be also displayed for the operator, if provided. You can insert here some additional information, like, for instance, which material should be used. Click Save. You will be transferred to the queue details. As you can see, no files have yet been added. To add the files, click Add Files, click in the center, or drag and drop files you wish to be sent. Wait for all the files to be uploaded, and then click the button to return to the queue. Now the files are uploaded to the server. For each file, you can see its slightly modified file name, its file size, transfer status, and processing status, which consists of processed count and repeat count. Of course, right now each file hasn't yet been processed, so that's why we have 0 as processed count. The repeat count is the number of times this file should be processed, and you can change it by clicking the Edit button and changing the value. You can also set an optional description for a file that will be displayed for the operator in the CNC machine software. Click Save or Save and Return to Queue Details to apply the changes. Now, as you can see, currently the queue is not yet transferred to the server. This is because the queue will be sent to your machine when all the files in the queue are marked as ready to transfer. This allows you to add more files to the queue many times, or to prepare several queues in advance and then later send them to the machine at the right moment. You can individually set each file as ready to transfer, or you can click this checkbox and then click Mark Selected as ready to transfer. Now the whole queue is ready to transfer, and soon all the files will be sent to the machine. Refresh this page to check the current status of the files being transferred. As we can see, the files has already been transferred. And that's it. We have just created our first remote jobs queue in Scout and successfully sent the files to the CNC machine with minimum effort. In the next video, we will discuss how to handle remote jobs in your CNC machine control software. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or suggestions on how to improve Scout, please don't hesitate to contact us at cnctailor.com or leave a comment. Be sure to check also our other videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel.